Students, today we are going to solve question 3 of exercise 13.2. So let's see what the question says. The question says that we have a metal pipe. It is 77 meter long. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter, and we have to find the inner curved surface area, the outer curved surface area, and the total surface area of that cylindrical pipe. Now in question we are given that inner diameter is equals to 4 centimeter. As you all know that to find radius we have to divide the diameter by 2. So dividing the inner diameter by 2 we will get inner radius. So inner radius is 2 centimeter. Inner radius R1 is 2 centimeter. Similarly, we will find the outer radius by dividing the outer diameter by 2. So dividing 4.4 by 2 we will get 2.2 centimeter. So 2.2 centimeter, that is R2 is the outer radius of the cylindrical pipe. And as we know that height is equals to the length of the cylindrical pipe. So height we are given is 77 centimeter. Now in question we have to find inner curved surface area. As you all know that formula of inner curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. But here we have two radiuses. One is inner radius and one is outer radius. So first of all we will find the inner curved surface area. That is equals to 2 pi r1 h. So putting values of radius, height and pi in the given formula, we will get 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2 centimeter, and height we have is 77 centimeter. So by solving this we will get 968 centimeter square. This is our inner curved surface area. Similarly, we are going to find the outer curved surface area, and using the formula 2 pi r2h. R2 is the outer radius of the cylindrical pipe. Putting all the given values in this formula, we will get 2 into pi is 22 upon 7, R2 is 2.2, and height we are given is 77. This will be cutted and we will left with 2 into 22 into 2.2 into 11. As we know that 22 square is 484, and here we have point after one digit, so we will put a point into 11, and finally solving this we will get 1064.8 centimeter square as the outer curved surface area of this cylindrical pipe. As we know that total surface area of the cylindrical pipe can be calculated by adding the inner surface area, the outer surface area, and the area of the two rings at both of the ends. This is the first ring and this is the second ring of the cylindrical pipe. So we have to add two areas of this ring on the both ends of this cylindrical pipe. So using the formula of inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus now we have to find the area of single ring, and we will multiply it with 2. We know that area of this ring can be calculated by finding the area of bigger circle and subtracting the area of smaller circle. We will get the area of this ring. हमें इस रिंग का एरिया मिल जाएगा by subtracting the area of smaller circle from the area of this bigger circle. And we have two such rings. First ring is on this end and the second ring is on the other end. So we multiply it with 2 to find the area of two rings. So I have written here, as you all know, that area of circle is pi r square, but area of bigger circle is pi r2 square, and subtracting the area of smaller circle, we will subtract minus pi r1 square from this area of bigger circle, and we will multiply it with 2 because we have two such rings in the given cylindrical pipe. Here we got in the last part it was 968 centimeter square plus it was 1064.8 centimeter square. Reducing this term, we can take pi common from these two terms. So taking pi common, we are left with 2 pi outside the bracket and inside the bracket r2 square minus r1 square. So by putting these values, we'll get 2 into 22 upon 7, 2.2 to the whole square minus 2 to the whole square. After solving this, we'll get 2032.8 plus 2 into 22 upon 7. As you all know that square of 22 is 484. So here I like 484 and will put a point after two digits because here I have a point after single digit and we have to square 2.2. So we'll get 4.84 and square of 2 is 4. So we'll be left with 2032.8 plus 2 into 22 upon 7. Subtracting this, we'll get 0.84. Solving this, we'll get 2038.08 centimeter square as the total surface area of this given cylindrical pipe.